Hey tech lovers, welcome back to AI Pro Tech, your go-to spots for the latest in AI and futuristic content. If you're new here, please give this video a like, share it with friends, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss our update. Today we're exploring Viggle AI, a groundbreaking startup that's pushing the boundaries of AI-generated video. Founded in 2022 by Hanks, Viggle's advanced text-to-video and image-to-video tool is built on their own JST1 model, which understands physics, allowing characters to move in a lifelike way more realistic than most other platforms. In August 2024, Viggle secured a $19 million Series A funding round led by Andreessen, helping the team expand their product features and add developer tools to the platform. You've probably seen it online. Fans creating viral edits like Joker walking the trending. Music creative clips powered by Viggle. Their user-friendly interface has sparked a vibrant community of over 4 million creators, ranging from professionals to casual users. Even big brands are jumping on board. At the 2025 College Football Championship, Viggle AI enabled fans to animate themselves in real time. And the pizza shop's viral ad by Massive Studios hit over 3.2 million YouTube views. All thanks to Viggle-generated content filmmakers are exploring too. For example, Imad Khalid Mughal created a cinematic short film setting blending real actors with AI-generated animation seamlessly using Viggle AI. But it's not all smooth sailing. Some users report slower rendering under heavy load, and there are concerns over how long uploaded content is stored. Technology like this is still evolving, and Viggle is learning from each deployment. Their JST1 model lets you animate characters by typing prompts like make them jump or dance. And the recent partnership with tools like Gemini, Flash, and Amigan has enabled AI-generated voices and even custom animated characters. So, what's next? With impressive funding, a growing creator base, and unique technology that merges storytelling with real-time animation, Viggle is shaping the future of content creation. While they work on speed, stability, and privacy, their potential is immense. If you enjoyed this deep dive into an eyelid video creation, please press that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to AI Pro Tech for more cutting-edge tech updates. Drop a comment below, will you use Viggle AI for your projects? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.